how to make a Nepalese bamboo wind chime. Start by measuring the bamboo canes, then cut them. We have a few different pieces of bamboo. What you want to do is take a pencil and mark where you're going to put your holes. Take a Dremel tool and make the holes. Sand the bamboo. Now we're going to varnish our bamboo. Take a piece of thread and put it through the holes like this. You'll need to make multiple knots to stop the thread from coming out. Now we're attaching the knockers to the base. This will bash into the other bamboo sticks. You can cut off the excess thread, or if you want to, you can burn it. And this is how it looks.